Welcome to the front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speaker here, so this value then on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 113.7 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.